Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over can you get money back from PayPal if scammed. So this recently just happened to me, so I thought it'd be useful if I created this mind map of basically various actions that you can do if you get scammed on PayPal. So first off, I am sorry to hear that you got scammed, but let's go ahead and start off with the first item. Now, as far as PayPal goes, they have this purchase protection policy, and it's actually fairly good. So the purchase protection policy covers eligible purchases for fraud or non-delivery, and you must file a claim within 180 days of the transaction, and PayPal is pretty good at making sure that they refund you the full purchase amount. So when it comes to using PayPal to actually purchase goods, physical goods, digital goods, or services, make sure that you follow under their purchase protection policy in the case in which you get scammed. Just because I've gotten scammed previously before, and so this is the first time I actually use friends and families, but I'll be going over that shortly as far as what actually ended up happening. Now, we're going to go through some steps to get the money back. So first things first, you're going to report the transaction in the resolution center of PayPal. File a dispute if the item was not received or not as described. I've once filed a dispute just because the item or service was not as described and I won the dispute. Escalate the dispute to a claim if unresolved, and then provide evidence of the scam. So in my case, I would recommend providing as many screenshots of you guys communicating so that you could actually have more evidence backed up of you winning the dispute. So those are some steps in order to get some money back. Next, it is important that we go over scenarios where PayPal is very, very unlikely to refund you. So recall earlier how I said make sure that you follow under the purchase protection plan. PayPal is not going to refund you if the transactions are made outside of the PayPal. Example, direct bank to transfer. So this is pretty obvious, but it is important to note that. Next is friends and family payments. Now this one right here is probably the biggest reason why PayPal doesn't issue refunds, okay? And it's because it's non-business transactions. Let's say you decide to purchase something and you wanted to save like $5 just because you want to save on fees, and so you send the payment via friends and family payments. PayPal is more than likely not going to side with you. So pay that $5 fee, pay that $3.99 fee. It's worth it making sure that you're insured. Next, PayPal is not going to refund any unauthorized transactions not reported within a timely manner. So recall earlier, 180 days is more than enough time to make sure that you actually get your claim sent. Now, moving on from that, we have basically what I like to call the secondary line of defense, which is the chargeback option. If you use PayPal for business transactions and you have screenshots of the evidence that you got scammed, PayPal is usually really good at making sure that you get your money back. Next, for account and security measures, you want to make sure that you enable two-step authentication. It's just a common given that in order to actually make sure that you have your account safe, make sure you enable two-factor authentication. Lastly, avoid scams by verifying sellers and using secure communication. So next time you purchase something from someone online, just make sure that they're a verified person. I'm not sure how to do this. Usually through reviews is a good way. You're working with businesses that have a lot of Trustpilot reviews. I've seen that work. But I've come in contact with sellers who seem like so genuine and so honest but end up scamming me. But at the same time, just figure out a way in which you can verify sellers and use secure communication. But let me go ahead and zoom out and give you a general overview of can you get your money back from PayPal if scammed. Ideally, you can if you use PayPal purchase protection. Make sure you follow the steps to get the money back, which includes filing a claim within a timely manner. There are scenarios where PayPal won't refund you. More specifically, the majority of time is through friends and family payments. Chargeback option is your secondary line of defense. So if PayPal refuses to pay you back or refund you because you use friends and family payments, try charging back, okay? Contact your credit card issuer and request a chargeback. And as far as additional tips to make sure that your account continues to be secure and safe, use PayPal for business transactions, enable two-step authentication, and avoid scams by verifying sellers. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. I just thought I'd create this just to kind of help you out. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Is there anything else I can add to this? I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.